So how do we keep the Luminati residential network safe and secure? Luminati's compliance process explicitly ensures that the users acquired through the Luminati SDK opt into our network, are fully aware that we share their resources, and are provided a benefit in return, as well as can opt out at any time that they're choosing. To access the residential network itself, a user has to pass through our Luminati KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. The KYC begins by requiring the customer to identify themselves by providing personal details and company details and why they would like to use the network. Our Luminati compliance team then validates the supplied data, and only once the customer's identity and use case are approved will access to the residential network be enabled. If the Luminati compliance team encounters a breach of our terms of service by one of our users, the account is immediately disabled and can be reported to the relevant authorities if necessary. So how do we ensure your privacy? Luminati customers are instructed to use HTTPS requests to avoid interception, and all of Luminati's products utilize SSL and are hard encrypted. Luminati deletes network logs after 48 hours and only uses them for security and debugging purposes. The network logs include only the IPs, target websites, and whether the request succeeded or failed. All other customers' data that is saved only for billing purposes, so just the amount of traffic that's running through the system. The billing data is saved with our payment service provider, who complies with PCI and DSS security standards. We do not share any of our customer information with third parties or partners.